Los Golondrinas, this house was designed to blend into the hilly landscape, adopting 3 main volumes that stand under one large sloping roof. The layout creates a natural transition between the interior and exterior spaces, allowing light and air to flow freely, while its elevated position keeps the surrounding vegetation intact. The materials used emphasize simplicity and warmth, with a light steel structure, earthy walls, and wood and glass elements. Natural colors reinforce the connection with the landscape, while the design remains minimalist and essential. Each volume has a specific function: a bedroom, a social area, and a kitchen, with the open space in between becoming a natural meeting point. This approach creates a balance between privacy and interaction, creating a flexible living experience that is at one with nature. Sustainability is an important part of the concept of this house, with large openings for natural ventilation, a sloping roof that optimizes rainwater flow, and natural lighting that reduces energy consumption. All elements work together to create an efficient and environmentally friendly home. More than just a place to live, this house shows how architecture can adapt to nature without sacrificing comfort. With a simple yet meaningful design, this house presents an open, calm, and balanced space experience.